Hello everyone, I'm Beulah Angelin. Today I'll be explaining about the experiment number 6, configuring intra and inter VLAN routing for network segmentation. So this is our topology and we have three different methodologies, intra VLAN, inter VLAN and router on a stick. For the intra VLAN, we only use the switch and the four PCs, PC0, PC1, PC2 and PC3. PC0 and PC1 belongs to one VLAN and PC2 and PC3 belongs to another VLAN. These both PCs are from VLAN 10 and these both PCs are from VLAN 20. So we have to configure the switch so that these two PCs only allow VLAN 10 and these two PCs allow only VLAN 20. Here, both PCs have already configured. We use 192.168.1.2 configuration series for these two PCs. And here we use 192.168.2.2 series for these two PCs. Already I have configured each of the PCs manually like this, and the default gateway is given here from here. So this starts from, actually it starts from one here. It starts from one, so here one. So this PC is two, it's three. This one again from the two series, it is again from two and three. Now after this, we have to configure the switch. We have to go to the switch and the CLA command. We have to configure, that is we have to create two VLAN, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 with the name student and faculty. And then we have to check if it is created. Here I have already created the VLAN and I have already assigned the ports to each PC is connected to a different port in the switch. So we have to configure, we have to allow permissions that give permissions for each of the port. And after that, we have to check for the ping. And if it is successful, then this is completed. And the next one is inter VLAN. For the inter VLAN, we use a switch. That is not this one. This is for the router on a stick. For the inter VLAN, we use two different cables. One cable for the switch from the switch to the router that belongs to right side VLAN, sorry, left side VLAN, and the next straight to cable that will come from the same switch to the same router, but that is for the right side VLAN. So we configure each of the cables, that is we do it twice, and then we will check for the ping. In that case, the ping will work from this PC and this PC. That is two different LAN PCs will be picked and that can be seen. So for the next one, the router on a stick, this is for this one, we don't need any two wires. One is enough. One wire will connect both this VLAN and this VLAN. When we configure the router in here, so when we configure this and when we can give comments, we can use this side VLAN and this side VLAN in the same cable instead of using two cables. So this is how we perform three of the methodologies, and the last we check for the ping. And in the if so here it is clear, when you give stimulation it will work. So this is how we do the experiment. Thank you so much.